First, find the settings, then tap it, and then scroll down until you can see the about phone. Then tap about phone. Then tap software information, and then multiple tap the build number until the developer option will be enabled. Wait until it will be enabled. Okay, then tap back and then tap the settings again. It is already enabled. The developer options already enabled. You can see it. So tap developer options. Then scroll down until you can see the show tabs. Enable the show tabs. Wait until you can see it. Yun. Show tabs on the upper, and then back again. Oh, you can see that it is already the top indicator is already enabled.